Hello students, in this session we will study multiplication of matrices, means how to multiply two matrices. We can only multiply matrices if the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. That is, if A is 2 by 3 matrix, means order of matrix A is 2 by 3 and order of matrix B is 3 by 2. Here in the first matrix the number of rows is 2 and number of columns 3. In the second matrix number of rows 3 and number of columns 2. So here number of columns, and in this matrix number of rows 3 means same. So number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So here we can multiply these two matrices. And what will be the order of matrix AB? Here the order of AB is 2 cross 2, means 2 rows and 2 columns. Now we will multiply two matrices. This is first matrix A, 2 minus 1 1, 3 4 5, and this is our second matrix B, 3 1 2 1 minus 1 1. Then we will multiply these two matrices. Now first we will check the order. Order of matrix A is 2 cross 3 and order of matrix B is 3 cross 2. So here 3 and 3, so same. So what will be the order of matrix AB? So matrix AB will be of order 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So now we will multiply. So A into B is equal to, this is our matrix A and this is our matrix B. So this is first row and this is second row, and in this matrix this is first column and this is second column. So how we will multiply? We will multiply first row with first column, then first row with second column, then second row with first column, and second row with second column. So first row first column, that is why I have written R1 C1. Then first row second column, so R1 C2. Then second row first column, so R2 C1, and second row second column, so R2 C2. So now we will multiply. So first row first column, here first element of first row is 2 and first element of first column is 3. So 2 into 3, then plus sign, then minus 1 into 2, plus, then 1 into minus 1, plus 1 into minus 1. Then next is first row and second column. So 2 into 1, then plus, minus 1 into 1, plus 1 into 1. Then next step is second row first column. So 3 into 3, plus 4 into 2, plus 5 into minus 1. Then next is second row second column, 3 into 1, plus 4 into 1, plus 5 into 1. So here 2 into 3 6, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, then 1 into 1 is 1. Then 3 into 3 9, 4 into 2 8, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 3 into 1 3, plus 4 into 1 4, plus 5 into 1 5. So 6 minus 2 minus 1, that is 3. Then 2 minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 9 plus 8 minus 5 is 12, and 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. So this is our matrix AB. 3, 2, 12, 12. Now, in general, AB is not equal to BA. If AB is equal to BA, then the matrices are called commute. Now, we will solve some sums on this topic. So, first sum is, if A is equal to 1 minus 5, 6, 4 and B is equal to 1, 0, 0, minus 1, find the matrix AB minus 2i. So, this is our AB. First, we will find AB, then we will calculate AB minus 2i. So, AB. So, A into B. So, this is A and this is B. So, we will multiply. First row, first column. So, 1 into 1, 1 plus minus 5 into 0 is 0. Then, first row, second column. 1 into 0 is 0 plus minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. Then, second row, first column. 6 into 1, 6 plus 4 into 0, 0. Then, second row, second column. 6 into 0, 0 and 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 5 is 5, 6 plus 0, 6, 0 minus 4 is minus 4. So, this is our AB. Now, we will calculate AB minus 2i. So, AB minus 2i is equal to, so this is AB minus 2i. I means identity matrix. So, here first matrix, order of first matrix is 2 by 2. So, I will be of the order 2 by 2. So, 1, 0, 0, 1. So, this is our identity matrix. So, first matrix as it is minus, we will multiply this matrix with this element 2. So, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2. Then, we will subtract. So, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 0 is 6, minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So, this is our AB minus 2i. Now, next is, if A is 2, 4, minus 1, minus 2, show that A square is a null matrix. So, we want A square. A square means A into A. So, this is matrix A into matrix A. So, first row, first column. So, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Then, first row, second column. 2 into 4, 8. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Then, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Then, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So, 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 8 0. Minus 2 plus 2 0. And minus 4 plus 4 0. A square is a null matrix because all the elements are 0. So, A square is a null matrix. Next is, show that the matrix A 1, 3, 0, 3 satisfies A square minus 4A plus 3i is equal to 0, where I is the unit matrix or identity matrix. So, here we will first find A square. So, A square means A into A. So, this is matrix A into A. So, we will multiply these two matrices. So, first row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 0, 0. So, 1 plus 0. Then, first row, second column. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Then, second row, first column. 0 into 1, 0. 3 into 0, 0. So, 0 plus 0. Then, second row, second column. 0 into 3 is 0. Plus 3 into 3, 9. So, 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 9, 12. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 0 plus 9 is 9. So, this is our A square. So, now we will solve this left hand side. A square minus 4A plus 3 into I. So this is our left hand side. Left hand side, a square minus 4a plus 3i. So first a square is 11209 minus 4 into a. A is given, a is 1303 plus 3 into I means identity matrix or unit matrix. Here the first two matrices are of the order 2 cross 2. So I will be of the order 2 cross 2. So 1 0 0 1. So this is our unit matrix. So first matrix as it is minus, we will multiply this second matrix with 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 12. 4 into 0 0. 4 into 3 12. Plus we will multiply this matrix with 3. So 3 into 1 3. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 1 3. Then we will subtract these two matrices. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 12 minus 12 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Plus third matrix. Then addition. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So all the entries in this matrix are 0. So this is 0 or 0 matrix. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore a square minus 4a plus 3i is equal to 0. Now next is, if a is equal to 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1, show that a square minus 4a is a scalar matrix. Here we will first find a square, then a square minus 4a. So first let us find a square. So a square is equal to a into a. So this is matrix A into matrix A. So first we will multiply first row, first column. So 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4. So 1 plus 4 plus 4. Then first row, second column. 1 into 2 2, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4. So 2 plus 2 plus 4. Then first row, third column. 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2. So 2 plus 4 plus 2. Then second row, first column. 2 into 1 2, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4. So 2 plus 2 plus 4. Then second row, second column. 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4. So 4 plus 1 plus 4. Then second row, third column. 2 into 2 4, 1 into 2 2, then 2 into 1 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 2. Then third row, first column. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, then 1 into 2 2. So 2 plus 4 plus 2. Then third row, second column. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 2 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 2. Then third row, third column. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1. So 4 plus 4 plus 1. So here 1 plus 4 plus 4 9. Then 2 plus 2 plus 4 8. 2 plus 4 plus 2 8. Here 2 plus 2 plus 4 8. 4 plus 1 plus 4 9. 4 plus 2 plus 2 8. 2 plus 4 plus 2 8. 4 plus 2 plus 2 8. 4 plus 4 plus 1 9. So a square is 988 898 889. Then we will find a square minus 4a. So this is our a square minus 4 a matrix. So this is our a matrix. So first matrix as it is, then minus, we will multiply this matrix with 4. So 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 1, 4. Then subtraction. So we will subtract corresponding elements. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. So in this matrix, the diagonal elements are 5, 5, 5 and the other elements are 0. So this is scalar matrix. So A square minus 4A is a scalar matrix. Now next is, if A is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6 and B is 1, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, verify that A into B is equal to I. So here we will find A into B and that will be I. So first we will find AB. So A into B is equal to, this is our matrix A into matrix B. So here matrix multiplication. So first row, first column, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 3 into 2, 6. So 1 minus 6 plus 6. Then first row, second column, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Then first row, third column, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 3 into 0, 0. So 2 minus 2 plus 0. Then second row, first column, 2 into 1, 2, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Then 5 into 2 is 10. So 2 minus 12 plus 10. Then second row, second column, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 4 into 3 is 12, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Then second row, third column, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 5 into 0 is 0. So 4 minus 4 plus 0. Then third row, first column, 3 into 1, 3, 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, 6 into 2 is 12. So 3 minus 15 plus 12. Then third row, second column, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, 5 into 3 is 15, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Then third row, third column, 3 into 2 is 6, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 6 into 0 is 0. So 6 minus 5 plus 0. So here 1 minus 6 plus 6 is 1. Then minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 plus 0 is 0. 2 minus 12 is minus 10 plus 10 0. 6 minus 6 plus 12 is 6. Minus 5 is 1. Then 4 minus 4 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 3 minus 15 is minus 12 plus 12 0. Then minus 9 plus 15 is 6. 6 minus 6 0. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So AB is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is our identity matrix or unit matrix. Therefore AB is equal to I.